So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to uninstall and reinstall app in your Firestick. So guys, if you want to uninstall the game in your Firestick, so guys it is very simple. You just go to your game. Okay, so here you can see your game and you can long press on it. Then you can move the direction of the game by this. But if you want to install, then you can go settings. Here you can see the applications. In the applications you can go to manage uninstall application, and here you can see USB only, internal only. Then go down and you can see your game. For example, I want to uninstall my hill climb. So guys, here it's showing that you can press this button to uninstall, press this button to clear the caches. So guys, for uninstalling I am this. So guys, for example, I am pressing here, so it is not working. In this case you can click on your game. Okay, then you can see there is a lot of other options like clear caches, offload, uninstall and clear default settings. So you can uninstall it and you can confirm it. Okay, so now guys, your application is uninstalling. Okay, and for reinstalling you just go back to your home screen and go to the apps, manage, then go to the app store. Okay, then here you can go to the option here games. Then you can find your game. Here is my game, top free category, and then I'm clicking on the download. You own it. Okay, it's showing you own it means I'm already downloaded once in my system, so that's why it's showing you own it. Otherwise it's showing just simple things, install the games. Okay, here you can see all other games which you want, and here you can see the screenshot of your game. So this is our hill climb game, as same as Android. Okay, so it's loading, so you can wait. So guys, here is the option, you can press this one to play. So I am pressing here. So guys, now your game is open. Okay, so guys, by using this process you can easily uninstall and reinstall app on your Firestick. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. Thank you.